Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm gonna do a weekly update. Looks like the Sunday afternoon open is here. So the weekly close is the previous candle, and I'm looking at the dollar here on a weekly chart. I'm looking at a rejection here. Look out below as that reversal bar is confirmed on the downside. And previous low breaks. I'm looking for a break into this range here from this high to this low. Maybe another leg down to previous lows at 94. Right around there. But so far, rejection. Anything could happen. Look for the upside break of the previous highs, 97.75. But looks like a breakdown and then a rejection off the 8. Making a reversal bar. Look for that reversal bar to be confirmed on the downside. It's a weekly chart. Weekly close for the S&P. Nothing to see here. Looks like it broke out, came back into support for the close. Hanging above support, which is the previous high. No reversal. The VIX still hanging on the low side. No reversal on the Dow Jones as well. Looks like it broke out, came back into support. This could double back, of course, and break down at any time. But for the week, it made a higher high. Looks like the NASDAQ on a weekly chart bounced off the 8, closed above the 8, closing above previous highs. Looks like it wants to try to match and test the previous highs. So we'll see how that works out. But closing above previous high on both his instances, and we got a 3-bar pattern here. Into support, reversal, confirmed 3-bar pattern. Look for a previous high break on the upside. Still going straight up. It's got to be some inflation going on. Lots of stories about crude just falling over, and it's got support on the way down. It's got this huge line of support from a previous price pattern. It's got support all the way down. So let's see where it ends up. Could be the ultimate left shoulder, right shoulder, as it swings down as far as possible. I got previous low for support, and the previous down price pattern support line there. Gold. Let's see what happened to gold. Gold bounced pretty good there. Almost making a nice hammer off of the support line. You can see it come all the way down into the 34 and bounce all the way back up above the 13. Pretty nicely done. Look for a previous high break, previous weekly high, and confirm it on the upside. Looks like it's trying right now. Previous high of last week was 1260. Let's get back above that 1260. Same with silver. Looks like it bounced off of support. Look for the previous weekly high for confirmation for a bottom. Also watch for the weekly lows to come in first. But it's in the pattern, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Getting pretty tight in there. Gonna be a nice breakout for a weekly chart. See if it'll happen this week or the next week. Back and forth, back and forth. It's getting real tight in here. It's gonna get volatile. Be an easy breakout for gold as well on the upside. Taking this previous high over here. Trying to make as many points as possible touching. Be an easy breakout for gold on the upside. Weekly chart. Can bring that up just a little bit. Got to get above the first previous high, and then I'll move it up. Move it up. That previous high there could be a nice breakout. Silver's in a pinch. Looks like copper is coming out of the channel still. Ooh. See if we can make a previous high break at 265 for copper. Got the 1-2 punch. Let's see if it'll continue on the upside this week. Copper looks bullish. So does gold and silver. So let's get them all three running this time. That'd be awesome. 75 to 1. Looks like silver's a great buy still. Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we get anything. Got a reverse head and shoulders here, all the way through the range of the second measured move, all the way down. Reversal pattern came across, and now it's that the stretch back, the right shoulder stretch back. And it just bounced right off of that support line from the previous pattern. Let's see if we can get another reversal pattern working. Someone mentioned that this might be a head and shoulders top, which I would agree, but it hasn't happened yet. So what I'm looking at is reversals on the 4-hour that are pretty nice. So far, a bounce off of support. Head and shoulders top is going to have to break down previous lows before I'll concede on that. But it is a head and shoulders top. Get a head, or left head, right shoulder, sure. It's not confirmed yet. So, and then when we go back to the 4-hour chart, we see a reversal. Reverse head and shoulders right there. Coming off the support line. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. It's already consolidated through the whole range on a price pattern. Looks like it's just a larger pattern is forming. See if this will hold up. Could be the bearish retracement, but I want to see it fall down before I concede on a head and shoulders top. GDX looks like it picked up a little bit. Weekly close. So it's reversal. Yeah. Got a 2-bar reversal on GDX. Nicely done. Nice bounce. The higher lows. We got an inverted hammer style right here. Too bad for a little wick, but that busted. Came all the way back in on the weekly close. And looks like it did a great week. Take out that previous high at 35. Watch out, GDXJ. Everything's getting tightly wound up. We got a 2-bar pattern reversal on Nugget as well on the weekly chart. Same as JNUG. Looks like the pattern's getting real tight in there. Look for a breakout on JNUG. It's breaking that 20 mark. Nice emotional spot. Could just make a nice run out of that. I'm not sure if it'll run up 40% like it used to since it's been diluted, but it's 3 times gold, bullish on gold. So let's see how gold does this week. 2-bar patterns busting into previous lows. the 8 and the 13 previous lows, breaking into previous lows. See if we can ride that range up into the next range of previous lows at 40. Could be a double. Could be nice. 10-year, just balancing act off of support. That is a bullish retracement on the longer term. Let's see if it'll hold. Support has to hold. Nikkei, it's a balancing act above resistance back into support. Watch the previous high break. It already did it once. That's a head fake on the Friday action. Watch for previous high breaks on Nikkei. That'd be an easy move for it. Nice quick U over support. The Shanghai Composite. Back and forth, back and forth. Nice hammer, hammer. Back and forth, bam. Looks like it's trying to get it back above resistance. Doing a good job so far. Higher lows. Nice hammer on the breakdown here. Complete reversal, back and forth, little bullish action, consolidation right here. Let's see if we can break above resistance and close support for the next week. Looks like Cole's still having a hard time. This is going to take another leg down. Broke support, came back in. That's a bearish retracement. And then on the weekly close, it broke down, came back into resistance one more time. It's going to flop over. Too bad for coal. Steel, weekly close. Looks like the back and forth over the 8. Look for a previous high break. Looks like its momentum's building. 22.25. Let's see if we can get back up above the 34. The weekly chart. Nice reversal patterns working over the 8. It's like Cliff. Broke a nice little point there. Looks like Cliff might be turning for, look at that nice J curve right here. Bam! Right across that 8 for a weekly close. Closing support for CLF. AG, 2-bar reversal, nice. Get back and forth inside that pattern. Hang on, it looks like it's winding up. EOSLV, looks like a little bounce off of support, higher low. NAK, watch for previous low breaks. Could come down into support one more time. Gather its legs, try again. URA, looks like it's a sideways consolidation is coming to an end. We got an AB bottom, look for previous low, previous high breaks. See if it might get into the 14-15 range. Look for previous high breaks on UEC. Nice little reversal over the 34 right there. Little, see if we can get this a little higher up this week, and then watch for the right shoulder to come back in. UBC looks good. Watch for the back and forth over resistance. That long red line is that resistance. Nice reversal over the 13, consolidating. Watch for previous high breaks. Could just take it out into the next range. I'm definitely bullish on UEC. Take a pretty close look and eye on that one for the rest of the week. Take previous high breaks and take a ride. URRE. Not sure if this is recovered at all. Looks like we got a 2-bar pattern reversal. Got the AB bottom. See if it can keep its momentum. Right over the 8. Got a 2-bar pattern. Double bottom. The AB bottom. Momentum's got to carry across that line, across the 8, into the 13, back into the 8 for support. Looks like the other uraniums are a little bit nicer. Apple's having a struggle. Look for Apple to come back in a little bit. I got support at 132, 133. Google's still hanging 10. Well above support. Look for Google to take off again, I guess. BCN fell apart on me. Not sure if I'm going to be able to trade this until it comes all the way back in. I've got support lines coming back a ways. 2-bar pattern on Ethereum. I'm still watching this come back in a little bit. Ran hard and fast. BTS still hanging on with support a little bit. And that's about it. Look for gold and silver to pick up the pace. Cryptocurrencies are doing well as well. Get a little gold and silver and kick the bankers in their teeth. Let's get it done. Buy physical metals. Watch out for the paper contracts. Could get nasty out there. So looks like the markets are doing well though. So I don't know. Could turn on a dime. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please share, like, and comment. I'll see you guys.